Hi dear friends, how are you? I'm glad to inform you that we have published our course Spoken Spanish for Everyone. The course is available on Udemy. You can find the link in the description. If you are only a beginner, the course is meant for you. If you are an advanced learner, then the course will help you a lot. If you are planning a trip to a Spanish-speaking country, then this course will be very helpful. If you desire to dive deep in Spanish literature, if you love Spanish songs and movies, if you love Spanish language or languages in general, then this is the best course for you. Spoken Spanish for Everyone includes various topics. It guides you to the right Spanish pronunciation. It teaches you more than basic grammar and a great deal of vocabulary. Some of the grammar topics are uniquely described in this course. You cannot find them elsewhere. All the grammar rules are followed by examples from day-to-day life. All the lessons are furnished with beautiful, colorful images that makes it easier to remember the things. And then there are some special lessons. These lessons give you Spanish phrases. Learning through phrase method gives you direct exposure to the target language. We have lessons on greetings, medical phrases, travel phrases and nature phrases, etc. The course gives you an insight in Spanish grammar, thousands of common Spanish words and hundreds of example sentences. The time has come that you start speaking Spanish, fluent Spanish, like a native speaker. So what are you waiting for? I have given the link in the description. It will lead you directly to the course. Be ready to take your first lesson in Spanish language. So, let's fix our next meeting. It will be on Udemy. Till then, hasta la vista.